Are you looking for info about Evergreen Colorado custom closet builders? You're in the right place. Custom closets transform your storage experiences into stylish and functional spaces, making it easier than ever to organize your home. Many make mistakes when choosing custom closet builders. One major error is not budgeting appropriately. Budgeting poorly can restrict your options. To avoid this, set a realistic budget early on, accommodating all aspects of the build. Another mistake is not thoroughly evaluating builders. People often skip checking reviews or portfolios. Always investigate a builder's history and client feedback to ensure quality. Research can save time and money in the long run. People also overlook personal design preferences. Ignoring what you want creates unsatisfactory results. Discuss your ideas with your builder early, ensuring your new closet fits your style and needs perfectly. A common clear-out solution is skipping proper design planning. Without comprehensive planning, you risk wasting space and money. Collaborate with your builder to visualize your ideal closet during the design phase. Finally, don't forget to get a custom closet quote in Evergreen. Many people jump into projects without a comprehensive estimate. Always ask for detailed quotes so you know what to expect and can avoid unwelcome surprises. Let's start with a big one. How long does it take to build a custom closet? Typically, it ranges from a few days to weeks, depending on complexity. A consultation can provide clarity on timeframes. Another common question is about the installation process. Professional builders ensure it's swift and smooth. They manage everything, allowing you to enjoy your new space much quicker. Finally, many ask about costs and affordability. It's vital to explore various solutions. Quality doesn't always mean high prices. Many affordable custom closets in Evergreen, Colorado offer value. Ready to transform your space? Call us today to take the first step toward your custom closet build at 303-381-2469 or visit evergreen.customclosetconstruction.com. Let's create an organized, beautiful home together.